I'm Gulrez Lokhandwala, Director Finance at Leadec India. I'm heading the Finance and Accounts function. I also look after the All India procurements along with the secretarial and legal compliances of the organization. Just got promoted to being to the most rewarding job, being a mother. It's the well-balanced cultural mix in the organization, gender equality, as well as no really political intervention or interferences. Free time. I get a little bit too little of free time with a small kid around, but whatever free time I like to cook. It's like a stress bust to me, as well as that's one particular area which is not intervented with anyone else's presence.